Hello, my name is Nicholas Burton, and today I'm here to talk about the issues revolving around space junk. Now, what is space junk? Space junk is a term used to define objects that orbit the Earth that are discarded pieces of technologies from humanity's past explorations into the stars. Now, why do we have to talk about space junk? It's because space junk presents a danger to space exploration and in orbit technology. It It additionally has been the topic of constant research and development. The issue of space junk is not new, and it has been a debate topic since we first began going into space. Additionally, there are technologies being deployed right now to try to combat the issue of space junk. So, why is space junk a danger? It's dangerous because it presents both the physical and bodily danger to space agencies and astronauts. Why does it present a physical danger? Because if a functioning technology runs into an object classified as space junk, it's possible that it gets damaged or even destroyed, and the development and launching of these technologies into space is a very expensive process for the space agencies. They represent a bodily danger to astronauts because if the astronaut is going into space to do research on a shuttle and they run into an object classified as space junk, it's possible the shuttle is damaged and it makes it more difficult for the astronaut to return home safely. There has been a lot of research and development regarding space junk already from agencies from Japan, the European Union, and Switzerland. Japan has looked into using a tether device to try to drag space junk back into the atmosphere, while currently the European Union and Switzerland are garnering support and funds to try to be able to develop technologies to remove space junk from orbit. Currently in the United Kingdom, there is a project called Remove Debris that is being hosted in the Surrey Space Center. It is already in the process of deploying devices to the International Space Station for testing. These devices have multiple functionalities for removing space junk from our orbit. The first functionality that it has is that it has a net launcher that is meant to be thrown and cinch around an object classified as space junk. The second technology is a set of lasers that will be able to analyze an object known as space junk to try to predict where it's going to be next. The third technology is a spear gun that is meant to pierce an object known as space junk and latch onto the device. The fourth technology is an inflatable sail that the device can deploy to create drag so that the device will be brought down into the Earth's atmosphere, along with any space junk debris that are attached to it. And this would result in the space junk as well as the device being burned up in the atmosphere. So there are real collisions with space junk, and they are a real threat. And the situation is only getting worse as we put more things in space. So we need to find a solution for removing the space junk. And the Remove Degree project and other projects are working on testing possible solutions to try to remove space junk from orbit. Thank you.